to 11 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, eastern, northeastern, and western Massachusetts. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.